What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. If you are new here, I'm Tonitra and you are in my garden. In today's video, we're going to be planting up some okra in some containers. We're going to do a little, what should we call it? A little experiment. We're going to plant okra in a pot and we're going to plant it in a grow bag, and we're going to see which one does better this year. I'm super excited to see how this goes. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So I'm going to use this pot. This is from IKEA. Ooh, look at that. Snail. Oh, there are a couple of them in there. We're gonna go over here to our grow bags and pick one. Hopefully there's no snakes in here. Pick one that looks pretty decent. Don't judge my grow bags, y'all. So to fill these two containers, I'm gonna put some potting mix at the bottom, and I'm gonna put some mushroom compost at the top, put a couple amendments in there. I'm gonna plant these 2 okra plants. These are burgundy okra plants. So I have 2 of them, 1 in each container. And in the planting hole, I'm gonna go ahead and put some garden tone fertilizer, a handful of that, and some bone meal, and go ahead and plant these. Just watered these in with fish emulsion to give them a nice boost of nitrogen. They've been in those containers, so hopefully they'll grow some big nice green leaves. There's a little bit of yellowing here. I did pick off, it was trying to start to fruit, so I picked off all of the little baby okras that it had growing so that it could focus on its roots. That's what it looks like. So cute. I'm so excited. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.